I finally got my hands on the viral anti-gravity humidifier, and honestly, I'm obsessed. Just look at this aesthetic. It comes with a simple USB-C cable, so it's super easy to power up. I found the perfect little corner spot for it to live. Setup is a breeze. Just fill the container with water, pop the lid back on, and plug it in. This is where the magic happens. Here we go. It has two modes, the anti-gravity droplets that look absolutely mesmerizing, and a noiseless mode for nighttime. It is whisper quiet and even has a built-in clock. If you're dealing with dry winter air or just want to level up your room's vibe, you need this. It's officially my new favorite thing. Check out the link in the description and in bio.